Welcome, so today I am with Apple AirPods and the iPhone XS, and I'm going to show you how to unpair the AirPods from the iPhone. So for the first we have to go to the settings, then we have to move to the Bluetooth, and as you can see there's our AirPods. So just click on this information icon right here and just click on the forget this device. Now we have to confirm and confirm again. And as you can see right now, there is no AirPods connected to this device, so we can just connect them again. And yeah, this is how it looks, the unpair process from the iPhone, the AirPods. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.